Hey guys, what's up guys? Welcome back again and again. I know a lot is happening right now on my skin. Oh gosh, a lot is happening guys. I just started this skincare 3 days ago and it just swept me off my feet. Normally when I have a skincare, when I start a skincare, I expect it to start like in 2 weeks time, 3 weeks time for me to start seeing a visible difference. But this one, just 3 days and I'm already seeing a great difference on my face. Right now I barely see any pores anymore on my skin. I have no pores. Let me come closer. I have no pores right now. And as you can see well, I have no pores, not even a single pore anymore on my skin, and this makes my skin feel so soft. When you see a baby's butt, a newborn baby's butt, that's exactly how my skin feels like right now. So smooth, so oh my gosh. Before I start, I want to make a disclaimer: this product I bought it with my money. It wasn't given to me. I bought it with my money, and after much reviews, I decided to step up and someone introduced this people. So guys, this is PAULA'S CHOICE 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant, and as well it has salicylic acid. I'm gonna go ahead to show you what this things. It's unclog the pores, unclog and shrink enlarge pores. It's first unclog your pores and shrink it. Like I was saying, I barely see any pores on my skin anymore. I don't have pores like I always have large pores now. And these are totally like and I review a brightened skin, just like I'm having right now. My skin is looking so bright. I'm not fair. I've never been fair, but look at that right now. And as well, it smoothens an even skin tone. Like my skin looks like exactly the same, however this one is. It's just I always have issues of uneven skin tones, and notwithstanding some damage, and exactly what I was thinking. So let's talk about this thing quickly. 2% BHA liquid. We know what BHA liquid is, and it as well contains salicylic acid. We know that salicylic acid is a beta hydroxy acid, BHA, and it has a unique ability to deeply penetrate the skin, and deeply penetrate the multiple skin layers. Unlike lactic acid that only exfoliate the outer layers, this one goes deeply to the skin, and that's exactly how plain this can be. Just like a water. I put it on my hands, on my skin, and with that I put it in the skin as well. Just like a water, guys. How does it smell like? I can't really see. It's just it's a light smell, but it's not offensive. It's not an offensive smell. I have scars on my skin. You can see they are fainting. I put them on my hands as well, and wherever you want to improve, and these scars are already worn here. So yeah, this is amazing. This skincare the worst, and it comes in a not quite small jar. The jar is as well big. Okay, you can see. I think for sure I'm gonna use this for I know it's gonna go far for me though. And as well, the packaging is a plastic pack. It comes in this plastic packaging, but who cares about packaging? I don't care about packaging. I only look for the content actually. okay, you take guys to go with. Guys, you can see I have no makeup on my skin, like no makeup anywhere except for those lip colors I'm having. I have no makeup. No. Hey guys, another thing that you need to know before buying this product is that you have to buy a sun protection face. You must wear this with a sun protection, especially here in Africa. We know how the sun is. Please don't make a mistake of buying this without buying a sun protection. Please don't ever go out without sun protection. As long as you have this on your face, don't dare. Okay, I hope you understand using this sun protection for it. Make sure if the sun protection you're buying is a high one. This is 50 plus. Okay, so you be sure that you can keep on enjoying your beautiful face with no sun damage. So I hope you like this video. Can you give it a big thumbs up? And if you have a further questions, you can ask on the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. It's free to subscribe. So yeah, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.